Let's understand Bayes' rule with an example. Say you just opened up your dating app and you look at your matches. You've just matched with someone who looks like they just stepped out of a Netflix show, perfect smile, perfect lighting, perfect everything. But deep down you're wondering, is this person even real? Congratulations, your brain just opened a tab called Bayesian reasoning in progress. Let's start with what's already true. Maybe only 1 in 10 dating profiles is fake. That's your starting belief, or as Bayes would call it, your prior belief. At this point, optimism is still alive. Then you get a message that says, "Hey cutie, follow me on Instagram for more pics." Aha, evidence, not proof, but something that might shift your belief, depending on how common that is among real people versus robots. Your brain, without realizing, runs the Bayes rule update. If fake profiles often say that, but real ones rarely do, maybe this one's probably fake. You didn't do any math, you just updated your odds intuitively. Then comes more data. 3 followers, all named Crypto King, and the profile pic, reverse search shows it's a Brazilian dentist. So your belief shifts again. What started as 10% fake now feels like 99% fake. Congratulations. You just performed Bayesian inference and saved your heart. That's Bayes' rule. It's not about being paranoid, it's about updating your beliefs gradually as the truth reveals itself. Science calls it Bayesian reasoning. Dating calls it learning from experience. The same logic helps doctors interpret tests, cars detect objects, and your email app spot spam. It's not magic. It's math guiding better guesses. So the next time life gives you suspicious evidence, don't overreact, update your belief. Stay curious, stay Bayesian, and maybe stay off sketchy dating links.